Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we looked at taxes, one of the orientation responses of animals. In this video, we will explore two other orientation responses, kinesis and homing. Kinesis is a non-directional movement or activity of a cell or organism in response to a stimulus such as light intensity, exposure to chemicals, or ambient temperature. Unlike taxis, which is a directional response, kinesis does not involve movement toward or away from the stimulus. Instead, the organism's movement rate changes depending on the intensity of the stimulus. There are two main types of kinesis: orthokinesis and clinokinesis. In orthokinesis, the movement speed depends on the stimulus intensity. For example, woodlice or slaters exhibit orthokinesis in response to humidity. They move more slowly in humid environments and faster in dry conditions. In clinokinesis, the frequency or rate of turning is proportional to stimulus intensity. For instance, the flatworm turns more frequently in response to increasing light, ensuring it spends more time in dark areas. Now let us look at a few examples of kinesis. Many insects move faster randomly when placed in direct sunlight. This is photokinesis. When exposed to light, cockroaches display orthokinetic behavior. They increase their speed of movement in brightly lit areas until they find darker, more suitable environments. It reduces their time in exposed areas where they risk desiccation and predation. Headlice move more slowly and turn more often in warmer environments, like a person's head, to stay in their preferred temperature range. This is thermokinesis. Fruit flies or Drosophila larvae may exhibit clinokinesis in response to temperature gradients, turning more frequently when encountering unfavorable temperatures. Now let us explore the significance of kinesis. 1. Habitat selection. Animals can find and remain in favorable environments by adjusting their movement speed. For example, woodlice move more slowly in humid areas, increasing their chances of staying in preferred moist conditions. 2. Predator avoidance. By moving faster in unfavorable or exposed conditions, animals can quickly escape potential threats. Cockroaches, for instance, increase their speed in brightly lit areas until they find darker, safer environments. 3. Resource optimization. Organisms can conserve energy by slowing down in optimal conditions. Paramecium moves more slowly in darker environments, allowing it to stay in its preferred low-light conditions while minimizing energy expenditure. 4. Temperature regulation. Some animals use orthokinesis to maintain optimal body temperature. For example, certain beetle species move faster in humid environments, increasing their chances of finding drier areas where they prefer to stay. 5. Moisture control. Orthokinesis helps animals maintain appropriate moisture levels. Woodlice, for instance, remain stationary in humid environments, reducing water loss and maintaining their preferred moisture balance. This non-directional movement allows organisms to spend more time in favorable conditions without complex directional responses. Homing is the inherent ability of an animal to return to the home site after it has been away to look for food, sometimes over considerable distance. This home could be a hive, nest, or mound of social insects such as bees, ants, and termites. It could be a burrow in the ground for rabbits. This remarkable behavior is observed across various animal species and serves several important functions in their lives. Let us explore the importance of homing. Homing behavior is crucial for animal survival and reproduction. 1. Resource optimization. It allows animals to efficiently return to known food sources and shelter. 2. Breeding. Many species rely on homing to return to specific breeding grounds. 3. Predator avoidance. Familiarity with an area can help animals better avoid predators. 4. Energy conservation. By returning to known locations, animals can minimize energy expenditure in searching for suitable habitats. How do animals do this? Let us explore the mechanisms of homing. Animals use a variety of mechanisms to achieve homing. 1. True navigation. In familiar territories, animals use landmarks like roads, rivers, or mountains for orientation. 2. Magnetic orientation. Many animals rely on the Earth's magnetic field for navigation, often in combination with other methods. 3. Celestial orientation. Some animals, like marbled newts, use stars for navigation when visible. 4. Olfaction. Certain species, such as salmon fish and some salamanders, use their sense of smell to find their way home. 5. Topographic memory. Less intelligent animals, like mollusks, use memory of surrounding contours to navigate. We will look at the methods of navigation in detail in our next video. Now, what are some of the implications of homing for conservation? Understanding homing behavior is essential for wildlife management and conservation efforts, particularly in reintroduction programs. Animals with strong homing tendencies may attempt to return to their original habitat when relocated, potentially compromising reintroduction efforts. Homing abilities in animals continue to fascinate researchers, offering insights into navigation, spatial memory, and sensory perception across species. This knowledge not only enhances our understanding of animal behavior but also has potential applications in fields such as neurobiology. Thanks for watching this video on kinesis and homing, the two animal orientation responses. See you soon with another Science Explainer video.